Hello everyone, welcome back to Yella English with Muna. In today's video, I'm going to correct all the mistakes from the previous lesson. You did an amazing job in the comments, and now we will check the correct answers together. Let's start. Part 1. Grammar corrections. Let's begin with the grammar mistakes. 1. She don't like coffee very much. Correct. She doesn't like coffee very much. We use doesn't with she, he, and it. 2. I am going to the market yesterday. Correct. I went to the market yesterday. We always use the past simple with yesterday. 3. He is more taller than his brother. Correct. He is taller than his brother. We don't use more with adjectives ending in -er. 4. I have seen her yesterday at the mall. Correct. I saw her yesterday at the mall. We don't use present perfect with yesterday. 5. My friend, he is very kind. Correct. My friend is very kind. No need to repeat the subject. 6. They was playing outside. Correct. They were playing outside. Use were with they. 7. I didn't went to school last week. Correct. I didn't go to school last week. After didn't, the verb is base form. 8. We is ready to start. Correct. We are ready to start. 9. She cooking dinner now. Correct. She is cooking dinner now. Present continuous, am is are plus verbing. 10. He don't has any money. Correct. He doesn't have any money. Use doesn't plus base verb. Part 2. Vocabulary corrections. Great. Now let's look at the vocabulary mistakes. 11. I am very boring today. Correct. I am very bored today. Bored equals how you feel. 12. Can you borrow me your book? Correct. Can you lend me your book? Borrow equals take, lend equals give. 13. I want to do a photo of the sunset. Correct. I want to take a photo of the sunset. 14. He is very good in playing football. Correct. He is very good at playing football. Use good at. 15. I am living in London since 2 years. Correct. I have been living in London for 2 years. We use present perfect continuous with for and since. 16. This is a big problem for me to solution. Correct. This is a big problem for me to solve. Solution is a noun. Solve is a verb. 17. I need to make my homework. Correct. I need to do my homework. We say do homework. 18. My sister gave me a good advice. Correct. My sister gave me good advice. Advice is uncountable. 19. The news are very bad today. Correct. The news is very bad today. News is singular. 20. I lost my keys. I'm very confusing. Correct. I am very confused. Confused, you're feeling. Part 3. Pronunciation corrections. Now let's fix the pronunciation. Comfortable, comfortable. Wednesday, Wednesday. Vegetable, vegetable. Island, island. Receipt, receipt. Dessert, dessert. Choir, choir. Leopard, leopard. Salmon, salmon. Fruit, fruit. Great job, everyone. Thank you so much for watching and for correcting the sentences with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.